Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Mangoal dash cam. This is not like other dash cams. This thing is kind of hidden. It embeds into the sort of back mirror of your car. And it's definitely model dependent based on which vehicle you have. So you need to make sure that you get the version that's going to fit your model. So real quickly, let's see what all comes in the box. I'm going to be installing this into a Ford Fusion, and you can see this dash cam does not look like other dash cams that you've seen. It's nice and stealthy and kind of matches the interior color of my car, and the connections themselves are going to be different. So you've got a power plug right here. Then you've got a GPS sensor, which is pretty sweet right there. And then this is going to power your rear camera. So that's the main camera itself. Then you have a typical rear camera dash cam. This is going to stick directly onto the back window via this sticky tape right here and connects again into that power cable on the front camera. Continuing on in here, we've got our typical pry tool to make sure you can get the wires where you need to get them and all of that, and then some instruction manuals and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and install this into my Ford Fusion, and then I'll talk about how easy it was to install, why I like this dash cam more than others, and we'll take a look at the video quality. Let's get into it.